Hey friend, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today we're creating a key called Blanca, and it sounds like this if you want to listen in solo while looking at the MIDI. Without EQ and sidechain. Now let's listen in context, so let's activate the EQ and the sidechain. Really cool sound, right? And if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below in the Afro House sound pack available at Production Music's Live's website. But now let's get started with the sound design and let's get started with this tutorial. We're gonna initialize Serum and deactivate the kickstart and also the EQ, and it sounds like this. Pretty raw. So now we're gonna start by selecting a HIPAA wavetable. Unison as it is, also the detune as it is. We're gonna pick this level and put it a bit down. And we're also gonna select the band plus and do nothing with it at this point. Now, oscillator B, we're gonna select a digital bass dropper. Put it an octave up. Wavetable as it is, unison a bit up. A less detune, and a level a bit down. Now LFO 1, we're gonna do a saw down, but with a bit of a slope, somewhere like this. Nothing is attached to it, so we don't hear any difference, but we're gonna put this to the wet position at 100%. And a bit also in the bend plus. But this has to go as envelope. Now lastly, noise. We're gonna select a J108 high pass. And then we're gonna put this a bit down. That's pretty much it with the oscillators. Now we're going to go into the envelope section. And in the envelope section, we're going to start by putting the sustain a bit down. Somewhere like this. And the release a little bit up. But we're going to pick this hand over here and put it somewhere like this. And also this one a tad up as well. That's pretty much it with it. Now we're gonna go into the envelope 2 because envelope 2 is gonna modulate a lot of stuff. So attack a little bit up. Now sustain a bit down. Release also a bit up, but we don't hear any change because we haven't attached this to anything. We're gonna just change this a little bit. We're gonna put this a little bit up. Now we're gonna put this a little bit into the level. And also in the cutoff of the envelope. But we don't want as bipolar, we want it as unipolar, and we want it to somewhere like this. Again, the filter is not open, so we haven't listened to anything. Let's turn the filter on. A, B, noise, and sub. The cutoff is gonna remain a little bit down. Somewhere like this. Resonance as it is, drive as it is, fat as it is. But we're going to do something different today. We're going to go into the matrix. And in the matrix, you're going to select over here the noise oscillator. Where is the noise oscillator? Boom. And we're going to put this over here in the filter cutoff. So the noise oscillator itself is going to modulate the filter cutoff. Just a tiny bit. Also, let's put it a little bit up over here. Maybe a little bit up over here as well. And that's it. Now we're going to go into the effects section and we're going to start by choosing a reverb. Then after the reverb, we're going to choose chorus, and after chorus, hyper dimension, and then compressor, and that's pretty much it. So reverb, we're going to start by putting this size as it is, decay as it is, low cut a little bit up. But we want a lot more wet. And we also want a little bit less spin. And that's pretty much it for now. Now we're going to go into the chorus just so you can hear what it causes. The chorus filter, we're going to go a little bit up with it. But the mix is going to go almost everything down. Just a tad. Now hyper dimension. Hyper just a little bit. It's going to make the sound a little bit more detuned. Dimension, we're going to put the size a little bit down, but put the wet a bit up. Now let's compress this. Now we're going to put the compressor threshold a little bit up. Ratio as it is, attack a little bit down because we don't want to lose a transient. But the release is also going to go really down. We don't want to compress what we don't need to compress. Gain a tad up. And the mix as it is. Now, if you want to listen in context, and that's it. I hope you liked the preset, and if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Cheers.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.